I want to invite you to an executive coaching certification. After 20 years in this business, for the first time, I want to take the knowledge that I've learned, the experiences, my failures, my successes, and in 2 days share with you how to improve your executive coaching capability. So if you're a seasoned executive coach, or whether you're just getting started in this business, whether you are an HR executive, which I always encourage, if you're the top HR executive, you should be a masterful executive coach because you really are the premier executive coach. So all of our top HR executives should be an experienced coach. And so we invite you to join us really for 8 reasons. The first reason is a proven model. We use an organizational model of leadership. Anytime you coach, you have to understand the person that you're coaching. And so the size of the organization is everything in coaching. Last week I received a call from a CEO of a company and he said, hey, we're looking at a couple of coaches. You're going to get the business, but let me tell you why. And the reason why we got the business was because we understand the difference between coaching and organizational development. Okay, so when you're coaching a CEO of a billion-dollar company, that's a totally different gig than coaching a CEO of a startup. And you've got to know the difference. So our model is based on the understanding that the size of the organization really impacts the way someone leads, and you've got to understand that. The second is how we integrate assessments into the coaching process. Assessments speed up coaching. And so a great coach will be able to figure out the issues of an executive much faster and create value faster. And the bottom line is organizations don't have money to throw at coaching that doesn't create value. The third reason is simply our experience and knowledge. I certainly know a lot more today than I did 20 years ago. Having been in the field and worked with boards and worked with CEOs and worked with leaders at all levels, that experience is invaluable. Certainly the one thing it taught me is I don't know a lot. There's a lot of humility that comes in this field, and when you walk in to a client thinking you know it all, you are toast really because you're just learning a new situation. But it is proven models and tools that helps you to ask the right questions and accelerate your ability to create value quickly. Fourth, the resources. You're going to leave with a workbook full of information and case studies and examples and tools that will help you to provide just-in-time learning for you in the field. Number 5, integration. If you want to use our 6 levels of leadership development, then the visionary leadership and the manager's game plan, the supervisor's toolkit, GOT leadership, all those tools are so easy for you to then turn around and use in small groups or in workshops. And so the integration will speed up your ability to deliver value to your clients. Number 6 is customization. We'll keep a small group in the certification so we can get to know your situation and expedite you coaching, whether it's in healthcare, oil and gas, whatever industry you're in. We've probably done work in those industries, and we will help you to apply the model and the tools in your industry. Number 7 is networking. You're going to have the opportunity to share experiences with a number of other coaches and expedite the learning process. And number 8, access to our Take 5 video library. So you're going to have access to case studies and tools and information that'll be available to you anytime, anywhere. iPhone, iPad, Android, you just go to our website and you can access videos that aren't just thrown together, professionally created videos that are packaged in short segments to expedite learning that will be just in time for your needs. So register today. Space is limited, and so join me for 2 days of sharing on how you can be a great executive coach and increase your impact to thousands of people.